Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add a promo link or add a note in cart page in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and you don't see any promo code link or add a note text here. So we are going to display it. Now go to cart page. So we are in cart page. Now you see pages and menu, so click on it, and then you see side pages and menu. So we are in cart and thank you, so click on it, and then you see cart page, so click on it, and then we are in cart page, and then you see setting button, so click on it. Now cart page pop up open, and then you see multiple option. Again click on setting. Now you see promo code link, add a note, enable. Now close and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to cart page again and refresh the page. So we are in cart page. Now you see add a note, so click on it. Now you see again you see enter a promo code, so click on it. So you can add promo code and then click on apply. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.